Reddit videos playing, but no sound? Or everything looks fine, but you still can't hear anything? Yeah, that's a common issue, but the fix is actually really simple. Let's get it working. First, play any video on Reddit. Take a quick look at the screen. If you see the speaker icon muted, just tap it to turn the sound back on. This is the most common thing people miss. Next, check your phone's volume. Make sure your media volume is turned up, not just the ringtone. Now let's check your Reddit settings. Tap your profile icon, open the menu and go to Settings. Scroll down a bit and look for Mute Videos by default. If it's turned on, your videos will always play without sound, so just turn it off. Still no sound? Alright, let's fix it a bit deeper. If you're on Android, try this quick fix. Go to Settings, then Apps, find Reddit, and open Storage. Now tap Clear Cache. This clears temporary bugs without removing your data. After that, restart your phone and open Reddit again. And one more quick check. Play audio from another app or website. If there's no sound anywhere, then the issue might be your device, not Reddit. And that's it. In most cases, just turning off that mute setting or clearing the cache fixes the problem instantly.